Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the standby mode battery drain in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device after updating to the MIUI 12. So right now my device has been updated to the MIUI 12 and in this video I'll be showing you the screenshot which I'm taken at the night time and again at the morning time. So I'll be showing you how many hours and how much of battery will be drained during the overnight time after updating to the MIUI 12. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru and also do check the links in description for more details of the MIUI 12 playlist. So it is a MIUI 12 playlist. All the links will be available in the description below. So you can check the links in description for the MIUI 12 playlist and you can get to know more details about the MIUI 12. So before updating to the MIUI 12 in your Redmi Note 8 Pro or any other Redmi phone. So let's get started with the screenshot which I have taken in this phone in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So the screenshot which I have taken is during the night time and one in the morning time. So let me try to demonstrate you. As you can see clearly, this is a nighttime screenshot which I have taken around 9:13 p.m. As you can see, 66% of the battery at the moment, and I have used the single SIM card. So not the dual SIM card, just the single SIM, as you can see clearly. And let me show you the other screenshot which I have taken early morning, 6 a.m. As you can see, 6:07 a.m. 6:07 a.m. and 64% battery. So that means that overnight there is only 2% drop in the battery. As you can see, 66 to 64, and number of hours, I think 9 p.m. to 6 o'clock, it was close to 9 hours I can say. So overall for 9 hours there is only 2% of the battery got dropped. So that's a very good thing. So definitely if you ask me, I would say for overnight, I would see occasionally a drop of 3 to 4% of the battery. Definitely, I saw the same kind of results with other smartphone, but right now in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, I am seeing only 2% drop in the overnight with a single SIM card inserted. That is also another good thing. And this is a screenshot which I taken in the evening time, 4 p.m. So as you can see. So again, adding another 9 hours overall, you can see there is equally dropped off 2%. So this is the 3 screenshots which I have taken. So from night 9 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock, so 9 hours of time, 2% dropped, and morning 6 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock, it's close to 10 hours, still 2% only dropped, as you can see. So if you ask me, for a single day, on a one day in the standby mode, if you're not using your phone, then definitely the battery drop would be only 5% or 5 to 6%. So that is also another good advantage with this mobile, with the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And you need to remember, during this standby mode I did not use any of the phone, so I did not get any text message, no calls or nothing. This just single SIM card inserted and in the standby mode, that's it. So these are the results look like in the after updating to the MIUI 12 in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So definitely I'll try to post more and more details about the battery backup of the Redmi Note 8 Pro after updating to the MIUI 12. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details of the MIUI 12 update. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.